हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं लखनऊ पीना असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज चौमेला झालावाड़। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में हार्दिक स्वागत है। कल अपन ने विलियम शेक्सपियर की टू बी और नॉट टू बी पोएम के बारे में पढ़ लिया। आज पढ़ेंगे अपन विलियम शेक्सपियर की नेक्स्ट पोइम व्हेन टू दी सेशंस ऑफ स्वीट। ठीक है, देखिए व्हेन टू दी सेशंस ऑफ स्वीट साइलेंट थॉट आई समन ऑफ रिमेम्बरेंस ऑफ थिंग्स पास्ट आई sigh the lack of many things I sought, and with all both knew when my dear time waste. Then can I drown an eye unused to flow for precious friends hidden death that last night, and weep afresh love's long since cancelled woe, and mourn the expense of May, a vanished sight. ठीक है, अब देखिए पहले थोड़ा सा पोइट के इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में देख लीजिए। शेक्सपियर्स इंग्लैंड ग्रेटेस्ट पोइट एंड ड्रामेटिस्ट। एज ए यंग मैन ही मूव्ड फ्रॉम हिज नेटिव स्टेटफोर्ड ऑन एवन टू लंदन। देयर ही सून एस्टेब्लिश्ड हिमसेल्फ एज ए playwright and a poet, as well as an actor and shareholder in the global theatre. ठीक है, he wrote over 30 plays. He also wrote narrative poems and over 150 sonnets, some of which are among the greatest sonnets in English. In all his works, he exhibits an unequaled power of expression and profound insight into human nature. ठीक है, अब देखिए आगे। When Shakespeare returned from London to Stratford, his hometown, he was rich and successful, and he owned one of the biggest houses in this town. He died in 1660. Shakespeare sonnet described two love affairs, but he do not know who the lovers were. Although there are many public documents concerned with his career as a writer and a businessman, Shakespeare has hidden his personal life from his a 19th century poet Matthew Arnold addressed Shakespeare in a poem wrote, "Be asked and asked, thou smilest and art stained. There is not even a trustworthy portrait of the world's greatest ड्रामाटिस्ट है। ठीक है, और देखिए थोड़ा सा पोएम के इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में देख लीजिए। इन दिस सोनेट शेक्सपियर टेल्स ऑफ थॉट्स ऑफ पास्ट ग्रीफ्स एंड लॉजेस। दिस सोनेट इज एड्रेस्ड टू यंग मैन ऑफ रैंक whose identity has not been definitely established. Here the poet pays him the handsome compliment that he has only to think of his friend and acknowledge miseries and losses are forgotten. On the sonnet, Air Rouse comments, the second line of the sonnet achieved a worldwide circulation in the literature of the 20th century. With its concern with time, it was taken from an epigraph by Proust for the greatest of our modern novels. Ella Richard to Thames Ferry. The mood of expression with absence from his friend continues and brings back of Shakespeare the thought of earlier friends now had. How much we should like to know who they were and all about them. Observe the alliteration running, although second nature to a born poem. This sonnet is a typical English sonnet. It is commonly called remembrance. It may be studied as a model of Shakespeare type. In the quatrains, the sonnet expresses grief over past misfortune, the lack of many things he sought. Quatrain first, precious friend, hidden death's deathless night. Quatrain two, grievance forgone. Quatrain three. What the climax of the sonnet thoughts is reached in the couplet, where to the readers and also the song poet's delight. All losses are made up by the mere remembrance of a living friend whom he loved. If the while I think on the dear friend, our losses are restored and sorrows end. ठीक है, अब देखिए इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिए. When to the sessions of sea silent thought, I summon of remembrance of things past. I sigh the lack of many things I sought, and with all woes you were my dear time's best. Then can I drown an eye on you to flow for precious friend, hidden death, deathless night, and we were praised love's long since cancelled woe, and moon the expense of May a very sight. देखिए, these lines occur in Shakespeare's sonnet entitled When to the Sessions. In this sonnet, added to his friend Duluth, Shakespeare speaks of thoughts of past griefs and losses. देखिए, he says that when in the silence he reflects on the past memories, he laments many things when he wished but could not get. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखिए. This is a general lamentation. All our wishes are never fulfilled. We do not get all that we desire to get. When we think of such things, we are full of sorrow. In this way, all sorrows are renewed. Time which does not spare anyone, restore anything soon. All things in this world become a prey to time destructive power. Shakespeare says that although he is not used to shed tears, yet tears come to joy when he thinking of his friends who have been untimely devoured by death. He wishes for things and friends lost in the past. He sighs and mourns for all his losses suffered in the past. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा देखिए. नेक्स्ट देखिए टेक्स्ट. Then can I grieve at grievance forgone and heavily from woe to woe tell over the sad account of mourn which I knew pay as if not paid before. But if the while I think on thee, dear friend, our losses are restored and sorrows end. देखिए, the sonnet tells of thoughts of past griefs and losses. When in the silence the poet reflects on the past memories, he laments many things which he wished but could not get. In this way, the all sorrows are renewed. The poet, thinking of his dead friends, weeps. He is full of grief when he thinks about the past senses and sights which are now vanished from his sight. और देखिए, the poet says that he bewails the loss of things and friends devoured by death in the past. At the thought, his eyes are filled with tears. He had wept from them in the past when he had lost them. Their memory makes him deep afresh. The way ever went of all dead friends come to him as if they have expired just now. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखिए, with a heavy heart he recounts his past losses. It appears to him as if his past debt not repaid before. ठीक है, अब देखिए, the poet pays his friend the handsome compliment that the thought of his friend and all his miseries and losses for are forgotten. ठीक है, the poet says that when in a mood of thoughts of past griefs and losses, the thought of his friend comes to him, all his losses are restored and all his sorrows are over. ठीक है, अब ये हो गया, आपको इसे याद करना है.